Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of vacation homes, and this one is a real gem. This architecture is a serene retreat nestled along the picturesque Nakhon Nayok River. It is a kind of place where you can truly unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. So, how do you make sure that every room in this house has that stunning river view? That is the challenge that the architects are tackling today. So, when the architects set out to design this getaway haven, they knew they had to get creative. First things first, they scoped out the highest spot to position the building. That way, every single room gets a front row seat to the river vista. Plus, they made sure to keep those gorgeous trees intact, adding even more charm and shade to the surroundings. The designer decided to play around with the concept of blocking the river view. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But when you first step inside, the architect wanted to create this sense of anticipation, like you're about to uncover a hidden treasure. You open the door, and there it is, the breathtaking view of the river, right in front of you. But wait, there is more. The architects didn't stop there. Every room and living area was carefully crafted to maximize that river view, and the riverfront area on the west side is an absolute magic. The architects extended the eaves to make the most of that glorious afternoon light. On the lower terrace is a perfect spot to kick back and relax, all while staying cool and shaded. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about materials? Well, the architect had that covered too. They opted for small-size materials that were easy to transport, especially in those narrow and curved alleys. So there you have it, Nakhon Nayok Riverside, a place where all that's left is pure relaxation. With architecture that's designed to enhance your experience and views that will take your breath away. It is the ultimate escape for anyone looking to unwind. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time.